Mbiu ya mgambo ikilia jua kuna jambo. For those joining us today, this is the song breakdown series where we unpack the lyrics of the song. Please listen to the lyrics. The singer says, they come with promises, colors, and sound. Helicopters landing, people gather around. Listen again.
They come with promises, colors, and sound.
Come with promises, colors, and sound.
Landing, people gather around.
Helicopters landing, people gather around. But no one is asking where the money came from.
Money looks loud, but
the singer says, they come with promises, colors, and sound. Helicopters landing, people gather around. So we are going to pause there and expound on those two lines. They come with promises, color, and sound. Helicopters landing, people gather around. So here the singer is talking about the leaders, the politicians. The question we are going to answer first of all is, what exactly do promises, colors, and sound do to the mind of the voter? What exactly do promises, colors, and sound do to the mind of the voter? Now, the first thing is that colors and sound capture attention. You can imagine in your hood, you hear sounds, you go out of your house, you see many vehicles passing by, caravans, music, loud music, that is meant to capture attention. And before the voter thinks, before the voter asks questions, before the voter asks for evidence, the senses are already engaged. Because first of all, the eyes see the colors, the party flags, branded clothes, convoys, long convoys. The eyes see the crowds that are dressed in matching colors. At that point, the mind begins to associate color with identity, with belonging, with emotion. After that, then comes the sound. The sound goes through the ears. Music, chants, slogans, sirens, crowds shouting names, and that sound creates energy, which then creates momentum. And in that moment, people begin to feel that something big is happening. People get excited. You see everyone around you is excited. And your mind confuses excitement. Then comes the promises. Listen to the song again.
they come with promises, colors, and sound.
They come with promises, colors, and sound.
Landing, people gather around.
Helicopters landing, people gather around.
Where did it begin?
No one is asking where it all began.
But the truth is thin.
So then comes the promises.
It slowly grows.
And that is where hope is activated.
Nobody knows.
Politician promises jobs,
Not billions first.
markets,
Crossed one.
houses, free education,
Then it becomes
free houses, free Medicare, instant solutions. And these promises, listen,
take it back.
speak directly to people's pain.
But every small
Politicians know
you on that track.
your pain.
A
So
system
they come prepared to speak that. They speak as if they are
where truth
offering solutions to your pain.
is fear.
They talk about reducing prices of commodities, offering jobs instantly. And at that moment, the voter begins to focus on relief.
Look past the noise.
instead of asking whether the promises are realistic.
The truth is in patterns now.
And then add the helicopters.
Chagua kwa busara,
The helicopters landing.
character first, that's the only
And helicopters, listeners, is not about transport.
before your
It's not just transport.
faces, but the patterns.
Helicopters, choppers, that is symbolism.
Today's credit becomes today's shit.
That is meant to project
Depending on the
power, project influence,
down, some stand for
project wealth, project importance.
no one owns, and truth gets
And the message there is silent but very powerful.
the clips, the moments, the hidden.
The voter begins to think
Do we know it's do we
and say, look how big this person is.
kwa busara,
The voter forgets that this politician is the one who's involved in it,
the crowd.
the one who stole the money for, the one who has a case, corruption scandals. The voter forgets all that.
Is in patterns now.
The voter begins to think how big this person is.
Look at the pressure. Look at the
And once the crowd sees all that, people stop asking the hard questions. People just gather around. And that speaks to what we call the psychology of the crowd.
joy. Silence repeated becomes a voice.
When people
When lines are blurred,
see
the outcome
many others gathering,
questioned or heard.
when you see many people gathering there, many people gathering,
Power and hope for the best.
right? Then you begin to think that there must be something bigger.
Like this. Chagua kwa busara,
The crowd itself becomes persuasion.
this is
The mind begins to say,
give it out.
many people cannot go wrong.
Beyond track, beyond
But we know history
ways, the country
shown that crowds can be wrong, crowds can be manipulated, crowds can be wrong.
to me.
So that's the song. That is the line. Those are the two lines. That is the meaning of the two lines. They come with promises, colors, and sound.
Helicopters landing, people gather around.
Helicopters landing, people gather around.
Where did it begin?
So,
The money looks like
what is the key message in the two lines? Number one,
from small,
the promises
slowly grow.
appeal to pain.
A quiet decision that nobody
The colors appeal to identity.
millions first, just a line crossed one.
Then we have the sound
Then it becomes
that appeals to emotion.
then it becomes a
And we have finally the crowds
say it's yours.
that appeal to social pressure. And when these four come together,
Keeps you on that track.
the voter stops
A
thinking.
system built on silence,
That when the voter does not think.
where truth gets
That's why we keep saying, before you vote,
real.
think before you vote. Keep saying, think before you vote.
Not everything shining should make you
So that when all this happen next time, before the next election,
sound. The truth is
don't be moved by the crowds.
but nobody
Helicopters
asking
landing, people
where
gather
did it
around,
begin?
but no one is asking where it all began. And that is a very important question. Nobody is asking where the politicians go.
A quiet decision that nobody
That will be our next line we are going to analyze
line crossed once.
next week.
Then it becomes normal. Then it becomes a